First, we have a tree. This is a trunk of the tree. There are 4 branches. In Chinese, they say that it is a radical. The radical with a trunk in the middle and 4 branches is mu. 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 The radical has 2 meanings. The first meaning is tree, and the second meaning is wood. Die. Now we get back to the cheese again. This is a mouth. It represents a person. That person, he keep talking with the cheese. And now we get the new word. Die. Die. The person who is always talking with the cheese, he's stupid. Now we have some compound words come with die. The first one is fa die, is to stare blankly, to be in daze. Fa means to show one's feeling. Fa dai means someone shows out his politeness by something really shock. 我在发呆 I am in trance, I am out a bit. 我在发呆 The second one is 期待 It means dull-witted, imbecile. Chi means foolish, silly. Chi dai is someone who has double politeness. 他的老年痴呆症越来越严重了。His Alzheimer's disease is getting worse. 他的老年痴呆症越来越严重了。The last one is 呆症。呆症 means bad debt. 账 is bill. Dai zhang, a bad debt, can't be paid in poorly debt. 银行呆账增加 Bank bad debts increase.